The old way requires multiple lines, creating an empty list, looping, and appending each item. This works but is verbose. List comprehensions combine loop and append into one elegant line. The syntax is an expression for item in iterable. The expression, word.upper, is applied to each item, word, from the iterable words. Simple and readable. Add if condition at the end to filter items. Only even numbers are squared here, making the code both concise and clear. List comprehensions work great with strings. Here we iterate through each character and keep only vowels. Multiple for clauses work like nested loops. Read left to right, for each row, then for each num in that row. The if-else here is part of the expression, not a filter. It transforms each item based on a condition. List comprehensions work beautifully with functions. Here we find all prime numbers using a helper function in the condition. Dictionary comprehensions use a key value for item in iterable or syntax. Here we zip two lists to create key value pairs. Set comprehensions use like dict comprehensions, but with single expressions. They automatically handle uniqueness. Traditional loops require multiple operations, list creation, iteration, and appending. This adds overhead for large datasets. List comprehensions are optimized at the C level in CPython, making them faster than equivalent loops for most operations.